We're about to start in 1 second. She's about to join back.
Hello.
Hey, all right. So what I was saying is, you'll see this whenever you go through the training wheel videos, man. To just pay attention to what I'm saying, but you'll understand it more after you watch the videos. So, at the end of every day we fill out our scorecards, and then at the end of the week you'll send them to me. It helps me keep track of everything. Just makes it easier. So I just wanted to talk about a couple quick things this morning. Let me share my screen with you all. All right, so everybody in Call Tools should have a voicemail set up. All right, so set up your voicemail box. We've got a video in here. Setting up voicemail box. So we need everybody to have a voicemail box set up. If you still don't know how to do it after that, please let me know. Another thing is we need to be checking voicemails every single day. At the end of the day, once we get done calling, that needs to be the main priority is checking voicemails that people have left. If you look and see that you're not getting any voicemails, then please send us email to support at Call Tools and CC me in the email. Always CC me in the email. Just so that I'm there as well. So let's see. Date created. All right, so see, we've got voicemails here, and I'm pretty sure the voicemails are by agent, so you'll want to check voicemails. But see, boom, you see that jump where it's like May 15th to July 16th. It's like 2 months we weren't receiving any voicemails. Not saying that it's your all's fault. That was something on my end. That's my fault. But if you're looking and you see that you didn't get any voicemails for the day or something like that, then we need to start looking at that, and then we need to start going through and listening to these voicemails, because some of these people might be wanting a call back. So if they do, play the voicemail. Let's see. So I got a guy who just forgot to hang up the phone. See one thing. I'm trying to. All right, so this is if you get a voicemail and somebody's like, "Hey, I want to sell my house or whatever." We won't usually get voicemails like that until Call Tools fixes their automatic voicemail drop. So the automatic voicemail drop is like after somebody doesn't answer, it'll automatically leave a voicemail for them. They're working on that right now, but once we get that back, that's whenever the voicemails will become really important. But we want to kind of listen to the recordings and call these people back. If we want to call these people back at the end of each day, the people who seem like they want an offer, we want to call them back through the predictive dialer right here. And then the other thing I wanted to talk to you all about is the caller IDs. So every day, just like we need to go through this, like once or twice to see, which numbers are robo warning. So we've got this one. So once they get past like 10,000 dials, they, there's a higher chance for it to become robo warning. So we see that this one's, close to being robo warning. It'll say it right here on the screen, robo warning, and then that's when we want to delete it. Then when we delete the numbers, we want to go to the phone numbers. We want to write down the one we deleted. Then we want to go to the phone numbers and delete that same number out of here. And then for every phone number we delete, we want to buy another one. So we'll purchase an individual DID. There's videos in the training on how to do this too. I'm also going to upload this Zoom call so y'all can go back on this as well. So we'll go down. We want 502 numbers. So we'll select 502. We'll select this number that we want to purchase, and then we'll confirm the payment. All right, so it's saying thank you. So then we'll go to our phone, then we'll go back to our phone numbers, and then we have to change the destination type to queue always, because that's how we get the inbound calls back in. If we don't change it to queue, we're not going to get any inbound calls. So we'll change that. Then we'll go to our caller IDs. And we got to change the C name. The C name is what pops up whenever people look at the phone. So we want Louisville KY to pop up if they got a caller ID. So then we'll save that. And then after that, you'll go to caller ID groups. 502 is the one that we use. So we'll go to 502. And we gotta remember which number it was that we added. So let me go back to my caller IDs. And I created this one. This is important because I've got like 4 numbers in here that are for things other than cold calling. So we don't want to use them. So we see that we just added this one at 918. So I'll write down the phone number. And then I'll add this to the group, press save. And that's what we do. So I want y'all to just kind of check back periodically. I mean, really just like at the beginning of the day and then at the middle, through the middle of the day, see if any numbers are flagged for, robo warning, and, do that. Other than that, I don't really have anything, for you all. So, let's get back to, getting some leads, and good job, you all.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
All right. I'm going to upload this recording into the Triangle for y'all so y'all can go back and refer to it at any time.
Okay, thank you. I have a question now.
Yep.
How do I check the number that I'm calling from? Like, sometimes they ask us, like, what's the best number, or is this the one number that you call? Like, for instance, like, is this the best number that we can reach out with? The same number that I'm using to call them. But I still don't know them. Yeah.
Yeah. So, ideally, we want to just tell them that we'll give them a call. Be like, hey, if you're interested in an offer, our guy Clay can give you a call back for for that offer. But I can send each of you all your own, because I just did this the other day. I made a number that's directly for each of you all. So I can give you all that number, but ideally we want to be able to just, tell them that we'll call them back, and, Clay will be calling them about an offer, because a lot of people will say they'll call you back, but they really won't. So we want to just ideally tell them that we're going to call them back.
All right.
So yeah, I mean, if they're like, what's the best number to call you back at? Oh, I've got a number I can give you, but we would rather just give you a call, if that's fine.
Okay.
All right. Any more questions?
No.
Everybody good?
Yeah, everybody good.
All right, let's get it.
All right.